Hi, I am Tamarazan, working as a MATLAB programmer in Spyro Solutions Private Limited. Now I am going to explain the project of improving physical layer security for CRNs using SANR based cooperative beamforming. In this project, now I am going to explain we consider a new cognitive radio network where cooperative beamforming is designed to enhance the physical layer security for both primary users and secondary users. Especially, the proposed design aims to minimize the transmit power of a secondary transmitter while providing an eavesdropper, a primary receiver and multiple secondary receivers with different signal to interference to noise ratio. The semi-definite technique is utilized to convert the initial non-converse problem into converse semi-definite programming, which can be efficiently solved in this paper. Then the optimality of the SDR is strictly proved by showing the optimal transmit covariances must be rank 1 numerical examples are provided to corresponding the proposed studies. In this existing system, cognitive radio network is used to detect the requirement and scarcity of the radio spectrum in the next generation of wireless communications. Traditionally, secondary users are allowed to access the spectrum licensed to primary users only when the spectrum is not used or the interference temperature to primary user. The existing system disadvantage: no secure transmission, transmit power is high, finding the best solution from all feasible solutions. The proposed system: the cooperative communication for cognitive radio networks has been proposed as a new cognitive radio paradigm. In the cooperative paradigm, primary network leases part of the spectral resources to secondary users in exchange for cooperation. Especially studies the design of information beamforming at a multiple input single output secondary network aims to improve the secret rate of the single input single output primary network. The investigates cooperative spectrum access for CRNs, which targets to improve the secure transmission of primary users via cooperative secondary users. The proposed system technique: semi-definite programming. Semi-definite program is an optimization model where the objective is linear and the constraints involve affine combinations of symmetric matrices that are required to be positive semi-definite. Semi-definite programs include as special cases LPs when all the symmetric matrices involved are diagonal, and SOCPs when the symmetric matrices have a special arrow form. General SDPs are perhaps one of the most powerful forms of convex optimization. In this proposed system, we are calculating the signal to interference noise ratio. In this paper, we are calculating and we will be sent through the conversely zero interference reduces the SINR to the signal to noise ratio, which is used less often when developing mathematical models of wireless networks such as cellular networks. The proposed system advantages: improve the secret rate of the signal input single output, improve the secure transmission, improving physical layer security, minimize the transmitter power. The software requirement for this project is MATLAB 7514, the basic version 2012A. The feature enhancement of this project is improving physical layer security in wireless communication using diversity techniques. Thank you. Yeah, this is signing off. Thank you.